Get ready for a thrilling ride as we dive into the world of classic Ford trucks. The 1998 Ford F-150 NASCAR Edition is about to hit the auction block, and it's a collector's dream come true. In the past few months, we've witnessed a remarkable surge in interest and value for Ford trucks from the 1990s. The F-150, with its simpler design compared to today's high-end pickups, has become a sought-after classic, and here's where it gets exciting. A rare 1998 Ford F-150 NASCAR Edition is up for grabs, offering a unique piece of automotive history. This particular truck is a true gem, produced in limited numbers. Only 3,000 were made, each a tribute to the thrilling world of NASCAR racing. But what sets this one apart is its incredibly low mileage. With just 825 miles on the odometer, it's like stepping into a time capsule. Preserved by its single owner, the condition of this F-150 is nothing short of impeccable. The sleek black paint is flawless, and it's adorned with special NASCAR Edition graphics, giving it a distinctive racing vibe. The 16-inch wheels are a replica of those used in NASCAR, and the color-keyed side mirrors and front bumper add to its stylish appeal. Step inside, and you'll find a comfortable and well-equipped cabin. The NASCAR Edition embroidery on the seats is a subtle reminder of its special status. Modern amenities like a tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, cruise control, and an AM/FM cassette stereo system make it a pleasure to drive. Even the original window sticker and interior plastic are intact, a testament to its meticulous care. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated Ford 4.6L V8 engine provides the power, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and a rear end with 3.73 gears. It's a classic combination that delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. This Ford F-150 NASCAR Edition is part of a growing trend we've noticed. Well-preserved trucks from this era are becoming increasingly popular. Just recently, we discovered a stunning 2000 Ford F-150 Flareside with only 27,000 miles, a 1997 XLT with 37,000 miles, a 2001 XLT with 40,000 miles, a 2001 XL with 43,000 miles, and a 1999 Lariat with 45,000 miles. Each of these trucks tells a story of careful ownership and a passion for preserving automotive heritage. And this is the part most people miss. These classic trucks offer a unique blend of simplicity, affordability, and nostalgia. They remind us of a time when trucks were built for functionality and durability, without the complexities of modern luxury. It's a refreshing change, and it's no wonder they're capturing the hearts of enthusiasts. So, are you ready to join the bidding war for this iconic 1998 Ford F-150 NASCAR Edition? It's a chance to own a piece of automotive history and a reminder of the golden age of NASCAR. But here's the controversial part. Do you think these classic trucks are worth the rising values, or is it a bubble waiting to burst? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Will you be placing a bid, or is this one best left for the collectors?